Hey guys, it's Chris. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my fall hair care routine for both a braid out and a wash and go. Y'all know those are my only two styles. Fall is here. It's time for sweaters. It's time for pumpkin spice and all that good stuff. But it also might not be a bad idea to change up your hair care routine for the fall, just because with the drops in the temperatures, that can cause your hair to be a little bit drier than usual. That leads us to the sponsor of today's video, which is CurlMix. They were kind enough to send me their Wash and Go system, which includes a shampoo, conditioner, a leave-in, and a flaxseed gel. They were also nice enough to send me their strawberry and a hibiscus ultimate deep conditioning kit here, which I use for this braid out. I'll be showing you that as well. So unless you've been living under a rock, you've probably heard of CurlMix by now, but in case you haven't, I'll tell you a little bit more. CurlMix makes handmade, natural, and organic hair care products with the best ingredients for your hair. And yes, they do work on all hair types and textures. So to find the Wash and Go system that works for you, they actually have a really cool quiz, and I'll link that down below. But it asks questions about your hair goals, your hair type. It sounds like there's some porosity questions. I'm assuming that's why they're asking some of the things. But basically to help you find the perfect Wash and Go system to create a Wash and Go that you will love. And let's go ahead and get started with the Wash and Go. So let's start with the Pure Aloe Vera Clarifying Shampoo. The aloe vera gel it contains is actually really great for your hair because it has vitamins A and C, both of which helps moisturize, strengthen, and nourish your hair. So I applied the shampoo first to my roots and scalp using the pads of my fingers to allow the product to break up any dirt and buildup. And then I also like to work the product downward on my hair to make its way to the ends. And you can actually see this shampoo starting to define my curls. So after rinsing out the shampoo, I applied the hydrating grapeseed conditioner. And so personally, when I apply my conditioner, I kind of start towards the roots and then work my way down to the ends of the hair just for the application. And this is also the step where I prefer to detangle my hair. So I kind of make sections as I go and then go in with my detangling brush and then go back from the ends up to the roots. And if it looks like I'm being rough with my hair, I promise you I'm not. And once everything is detangled, I'll go ahead and twist the hair up and move on to the next section until my entire head is complete. So once all my sections are detangled and twisted back up, it's time to go back in and rinse each section out and retwist it back up so that way I'm ready to apply my moisturizer. Now I'm applying the avocado moisturizer to my hair and re-wetting the hair as needed, but I really like to smooth and rake the moisturizer through. And what I really liked about this is that it was really lightweight and reminded me kind of liquid shea butter. After I finished smoothing the avocado moisturizer on the section, I split it up for my favorite part, the gel application. The flaxseed gel was my absolute favorite, and I can see 1000% why it is their bestseller. I just wanted to drench my hair in this stuff. It is lightweight and does provide a light hold, but it still does leave definition that will last. Now, if you prefer a stronger hold, you may want to experiment with topper gels, but I think this is great on its own, and it really helps define the curls oh so nicely. Once I finished my entire head, I went ahead and used my diffuser to dry my hair. And then this wash and go, like most of mine do, lasted me a good 3 days. Now I could have done a little bit more, but that would have been pushing it. Now let's move right along to my favorite, today's style, the braid out. So for the braid out, after washing my hair with that same clarifying aloe vera shampoo, I applied the strawberry and hibiscus deep conditioner and left it on for 15 minutes before detangling. Now, with the fall weather, I personally am more open to wearing stretch styles and using heat on my hair like I did for this braid out today. And to be completely honest, I usually do not deep condition my hair, but if I am using heat to stretch my hair at all, ever, deep conditioning is a must. After using a little heat to dry my hair today, I parted my hair into sections, applied the strawberry and hibiscus leave-in conditioner to each section, and plaited the hair up. And really, it felt so silky and slippery going on. Leave-in conditioner is the perfect base for my braid out because it contains grapeseed oil, which is not only lightweight, but it also adds moisture, strength, and shine. The leave-in also has squalane, which helps to boost moisture levels, and you'll definitely want to be mindful of this with the fall weather alone. But did you know that it can also help prevent mechanical damage that can come from all the raking and smoothing and tugging and brushing on our hair that we do? So the next day my plaits were dry and they felt really nice and lightweight. The takedown was super easy and my braids were very defined. Now if you prefer a light fluffy braid out like me, no flaxseed gel is needed, but if you want some additional hold, you can top the leave-in with your flaxseed gel. In the comment section down below, I would love to know one of two things. Tell me if you have either tried any of the CurlMix products before and tell me what you thought about it, or I would like to know what changes you guys specifically make to your hair care routine just to adapt for the fall and winter months. And as for always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!